Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be making a skull and crossbones, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make a large letter C that's upside down on your piece of paper. Now we're going to come down with two short lines, and then we're going to close that shape up with a straight line. You're going to make some straight lines right here. These are going to represent the teeth. And then up here, you're going to make some large ovals. These are going to represent the eye sockets. Let's make a triangle that has the soft angles. And now let's make the bones, the crossbones that are going to be in the back of our skull. So the first thing that you'll want to do is have some lines coming out the top of his head, and then we are going to add the number 3. Now this is important, so we're going to follow this line down, but we're not going to go through our skull, we're going to go behind our skull and then make 2 lines coming out this way, just like that. And then we're going to make a backwards number 3. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So you come out the top of the skull, you make a backwards number 3, and then you follow that line down. And then you follow this line down. And then you make the number 3. Now you can decorate this any way that you'd like. You can pretend like it's on a flag or on a boat. It's completely up to you. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time.